It is day 7 of DIYing my powder room, and I am very excited to announce today we are putting on the final touches. Started out by getting that vent up that I painted the same color as the ceiling, and then I took off all of the tape that was left around the edges of the walls. I had put the lights in before, but I didn't put the lampshades on because I had some touch-ups around the light fixture, so I put those up and got the light bulbs back in. Grabbed these vintage looking light switch covers off of Amazon. They're linked in my Home Essentials Amazon list, but I didn't like the color of them, so I decided to prime them and then paint them the same color as the wall. Undecided if I'm actually going to put them back to black now that I get them on, but we'll see. Once I got a couple coats on there and they were good to go, I mounted those and then painted over the screws so that they matched as well. I probably actually would have done this if I could redo it before I put them in, but anyways. Then in any bathroom you need toilet paper, so we have a toilet paper holder that I got here from HomeSense. It is gold and modern and sleek, and I love it as much as you can love a toilet paper holder. And also at HomeSense, I found a matching towel rack that is also gold. These are pretty easy to install. I will say the anchors were pretty shit, but we made it work. It's just like if you need to be installed with a hammer, you should be able to withstand a hammer, you know? Grab some Turkish towels off of Amazon, also linked in my Home Essentials list on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. And last but not least, a big, bold mirror. Before and after coming soon!